Hello and welcome everyone. Now in this video we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. Now for better practice, just make sure that you have taken the screenshot of this particular image and start drawing alongside me. Now we are going to start with one circle, and if you observe closely, just take a look. This particular circle is of radius 14. This is of 27. Then this one is again of 14 and this one is of 27, and same is the case with these circles as well. So we are going to create one set and then we are going to paste them. After that we are going to create all of these curves. So without further delay, let's start this video and let's start learning. So we are going to start with lower left circle, and then we are going to copy these circles at three different locations. So without further delay, let's select circle using center and diameter. Select center as 0, 0 and select diameter as 28, as 28 is the first diameter. Now right now the circle is not visible because of the zoom level. So we will zoom in using the roller button of the mouse, and then we will see that the circle is visible. Now we are going to draw the outer circle. So for outer circle we are provided with radius, so we are going to select center and radius. Select the same center origin. So if we are aware about the coordinates, always using coordinates is always better, but if we are not aware about it, you can turn on the object snap by this icon and you can turn on center from here. After that, what you are going to do is just select this center that you are seeing. Now if this center is not visible, just move your cursor around the circumference and you will see that the center will be visible. Now radius for this one is 27. Now once we are done with these two, the next thing that we need to do is we need to copy these objects using the center as the base point. So select copy command, then specify base point as the center of this one. Now we need to copy in this side and in the vertical direction. So the distance, this horizontal distance is 60 units. So we can use coordinates at the rate 60, 0 for the next coordinate. Now the next distance, vertical distance that we want to basically on which we want to paste it is 82. So for that we are going to again use coordinates at the rate 0, 82. Now so these were the three different places at which we wanted to copy these circles. Next is we are again going to draw a circle on this particular location. Now coordinate for this location, basically this horizontal distance is 30 and vertical distance for center is 40 units. So as this is our center point, we can basically use coordinates as 30, 40. It will work. But in some cases, suppose that you have not started your drawing from center, so you are going to select line, start it from center and use coordinates. So horizontal distance, that is 30, 40. Now this line basically will make you reach till the center of that circle. Okay. Once we are at this center, we are again going to use circle command using center and radius, and we are going to paste the circle. So radius of this particular circle is 10 units. Okay. So type 10, enter. Now this is our circle. Then these two circles, they are joined using fillet command. So select fillet and radius of this fillet is 10 units. Press 10, enter. Then specify the first circle and then second circle. And these two circles, they are also joined using fillet command. So but this time the radius is 30 units. So type 30 for radius, press enter, select the first circle and then second circle. Now we can trim the non-required portion, we can delete the non-required portion if we want. So we are going to use trim command, select this portion, this is not needed. Now the remaining drawing, we need one tangent from this circle to this one. After that we need another arc, and on this side an arc. So before that we need another 10, 10 radius option. So select tangent, tangent and radius for this particular line that we want to draw. So select this as the first tangent point, then this as the second, and specify radius as 84 units. So this was another drawing or object that we wanted to draw. After that, what we need to do is we need to trim the non-required portion again. So select trim command, remove these portions that we don't need, okay, and remove this portion as well. After that, you'll see that this portion is still remaining. So what we are going to do is we are going to trim this one as well. Okay, then we need this fillet. So press escape, then specify fillet. Now this time, basically radius, fillet radius is, I think, again 10 units. Press 10, enter. This one is the first object and this is the second object. After that, we need to draw another tangent. So select a line. Now start from this point and just draw a tangent. But take a look. This line, if we are starting this as tangent, what is happening here? Basically, we are not able to draw the tangent properly. So we will select this point as the tangent point and then zoom in and draw a tangent like this, and we are done. And remove the portion, the line that we did not need earlier. Okay, I think we have made a mistake here. The mistake is we needed to place this line at the tangent of outer circle. So we need to correct this one. So pick it from here and join this at this tangent. Now it is clear. Okay, so this is our main drawing. What we need is we might need to trim some objects, like I think we don't need this particular portion, and we need to place the dimensions now. So basically select trim command, remove this portion, click on trim, remove this portion that we don't need, press enter. Then the next thing is we are going to place the dimensions. So select radius, specify these radiuses, right click, repeat. Now these circles that we are using, they are of same radius almost, not almost, basically all of them are of same radius. If you want to place diameter, you can use dimdiameter as well. So for this one, I'm going to select diameter, then again select dimradius for these fillets that we have provided. This is the first one, this is the second one. After that, the next is this fillet, which is also of 10 units. We can edit the portion whatever we want to. Repeat dimradius, select this as the object and this one. Okay, right click, repeat dimradius. We need radius for this one as well. Now these are the dimensions that were needed. The next thing that we need to do is basically radius we are done with. The next dimensions are linear dimensions that we need. So select linear, specify first point and second point, right click, repeat first point and second point. After that, we need to specify these dimensions as well. So this one done, repeat first one and second one, and that. Now after placing all the dimensions, in order to make it a little bit attractive, select all the dimensions and change their color. So select similar, then right click, select similar, whatever are left. Okay, let's escape. I think we made some mistakes. Whatever dimensions we have selected, we are going to change their color. Right click, select similar. Okay, so instead of Y layer, we can choose any color that we want to specify for this one. So as usual, we are going to use red color or blue. Let's say we use green color. Now, in order to fill this particular portion with a pattern, we are going to use hatch command. Click on hatch. Then, instead of pattern, we can use a gradient. Select the colors that you want to, and simply click inside the boundary, and the diagram will be complete. Okay, you can change the color if you want to change it, and click on close hatch creation. Then we can fill a particular other area if you want to specify or fill an area with another color, so we can change that as well. So let's say we place instead of green, let's say we place orange color inside this, so you can simply click on it and you can place whatever color you want to, and basically your drawing will be complete. So that's all for this particular video. I hope you guys have liked it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.